myself Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing one of the topic, that is city creation. In city creation currently basically we are discussing this topic basically. This is one diagram actually, and this is very dangerous diagram basically. One of the person told that if anybody understand this basically, that also if we have the entire control of this diagram basically, he basically is the richest person of the world basically. But control means every control basically. For example, one person told that chartered accountant is basically the highest degree in accounts industry basically. Chartered accountant is the highest degree in accountant industry. So he basically know that basically the chartered accountant is the highest degree, but the future highest degree basically is on creation basically. That is the that 100 city basically which is going which is creating that is the chartered accountant plus degree basically. So you can just imagine basically how dangerous the education sector is connected basically. So first the construction basically creation happens basically, that is the city creation, and then the education sector basically, new education sectors basically gets creates. So before education, the entire construction cities areas are created basically. For example, MBA equal to 100 cities, chartered accountant equal to 100 cities, chartered accountant advanced certificate, that is the basically you can say chartered accountant advanced means this certificate basically never came in front of the world basically. That certificate basically I am talking, and that basically city which is getting created basically, that is the advanced chartered accountant certificate. That city basically which is creating, that is the MCA degree basically. And that city basically which is getting created, that is the that city which is created, that is the MCA degree. And that city which is creating basically, that is the MCA plus degree basically. So you can just imagine basically the creation basically of the education sector, and this everything basically is ongoing basically. This basically never stops basically. Same way basically the universe never stops, same way the earth planet never stops. The education sector basically keeps on increasing basically, keeps on increasing. So one of the person told that these are the three group basically who are controlling the sectors basically. Government sector basically, who are government sector? One of the person told that basically, without government permission basically, you can create one house also. That is not possible. For example, one person told that, Sunil, you visited Mumbai, right? Basically, yes. You got the house basically. No, I have not. Why? Because the government has not given the approval basically. Government means Sarkar basically has not given the approval. So that is government basically. Sunil, you went to Bangalore also basically, right? Yes. There you got the house? No, basically. Why? Because government has not given the approval basically. That Sunil R. Nair basically can get the house in Bangalore. Assume that basically I will take one calculation basically. You will be shocked basically. You will be shocked basically. Just a minute. Lots of people says that are you sure basically what actually you are doing? So see basically, one other person told that what is this calculation here basically? Sunil, we basically not able to understand basically. is actually this number basically? So one of the person basically asked the question basically. This number is what basically? 13,307 basically. 13,307 basically. So see the magical number basically. So see basically the number basically. This is actually magical number basically, and you will basically not believe this basically. And this basically numbers are round figure number, but near about number basically, because exact number basically the government also basically don't have. This is actually what basically 13,700, sorry, 13,307 basically, right? Now what is 1 lakh 13,000, 1 lakh 33,007 basically. So we will write this 1 lakh 33,007 this is it. So 1 lakh 33,070 basically. Now basically this comes to 13 lakh something, right? This comes to 13 lakh around. That is around 133,070. This is 1 lakh 33,000 and this is 13 lakh around. So in next video basically we are going to see that number.